trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, "Mr. Buffett, you have lost $10 million today." Do you know what he said? He said, "I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold." Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
What is a Palm account in Forex? A Palm simply means percent allocation money management. Account is a smart and hands-free way to earn from Forex trading without trading by yourself. Here's how it works. A professional trader, the manager, opens a Palm account with a Forex broker and starts trading with their own money. Investors like you open your trading account with the same broker that the manager used, fund it and link your funded account to the manager account without handing over your hard-earned money to the manager directly. The manager trades with their money and the system automatically copies those same trades to your investment. When the manager makes a profit, you also earn a profit, minus a small agreed fee, usually around 30%, paid to the manager. Note that the manager does not have direct access to the investor's money. The manager trades using their own funds, while the exchange bot repeats the same transactions for the investor's funds. Example, the manager invests $300, and you invest $200 equals $500 total. After successful trading, the account grows by 200% to $1,500. You now have $600. The manager gets a 30% fee from your $400 profit equals $120. Your final gain, $480. The manager earned $1,020. It's that simple. You keep control of your funds, and you earn based on the manager's skills. At Forex Algotech, we are your #1 trusted Palm account manager. We strongly believe in results, as you can see on our screen over the last 1 year. Join our Palm Partnership community today for free and start earning from the financial world. Get back to whoever shared this video with you, and get started today with us. Thank you for watching.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your
Yeah, hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. It's been long I did this tutorial because of my time with a lot of things, but I'm so sorry. I just want to work on this account, and I want us to take our time to see maybe we're going to benefit one or two things. I want to use the calculator because this is a palm account, that investment account that I'm trading for some of our clients. And it has edged for a couple of weeks, and we can see this kind of swap this broker is charging, because these are the problem that we are going to be having from time to time from one broker or the other. This is a killing, it's a very killing charges. So now I want to trim this so that I can reduce all these edging lot sizes. So I'm going to use FIFO method, which is first in, first out. 0.8 is first in before this 1.3. So I'm going to close all of them one by one. And I'll use the edging leg, which is a total of um, days, and I'm gonna use price zone management on this account. Okay, so now let's start. So the first thing I need to do, you can see that this I need to calculate this. Market is fluctuating, so I would need to be a little bit faster on whatever thing I'm doing. I want to bring out my calculator, but I need to do this today. So the calculator is out. The first thing I need to do is to look at this level, which is 375.77 plus 50. Swap on this three is 153. I don't need to do actual those shit. Okay, let me cancel. 384 now plus 53. I'm ignoring the decimal point is equal to this, and I need to minus I'll round it off, which is 8 minus 8. So this give me 429. So this is 429 I want to use to trim the market. Okay, so now I've written it down in my jotter beside me here. Then let's now go to account we want to trim. I want to trim this, which is the first in. Then I will bring my calculator out again. So here I'm going to say 178.10. I will just round it off to 179. Plus 33, I would say 34. And plus commission, which is I would say plus 1. So here I'm going to have 214, which I'm going to write down 214. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to put 214 here as the loss, floating loss I want to use, which is 214. The lot size is oh no, I made a mistake here. I will need to redo this because I supposed to start from 0.08. I mean 0.80 as because we are using FIFO. First at 0.80 lot size is what I want to use. So I need to recalculate the floating loss here. So let's go back. Okay, so I'm canceling this. It's not working. So we have 136. I will say 137 plus 29. I will say 30 plus 48. I will say plus 1. So I have 168 here. So now let me minimize my calculator. So my floating point now is 168 minus 168, but we don't need to put minus there. And remember that we said this should be 429, but you can see that market is fluctuating. It's not more. It's 380 plus this. Okay, let's use 400. And when we press enter, is the calculator said we can close everything. Okay, so I'm going to close this completely. All right, and here I'm partially closing 0.08. I can even close everything. Also, it's possible for me. Okay, let me close all the profits here, and now approximating it as 239. 384 you can see that 384 plus 53, that is 73437. Okay, so now let me close this completely. So I've closed that one completely. Then I need to move to this second level. Now this second level, now I'm going to bring out the calculator again. I'm going to cancel this. This is 180. I would say 181 plus 33. I would say 34 plus 1. I will use 1 here. So I have 216 here. So I'm going to use 216 here, 216, and the lot size is 1.30. Enter key, and you can see that I can close all those 1.03 100% also. Close. Yeah, this is a way to trim the account properly. So now, if we look at what we have left here, we need to look at what, because we need to edge the account back. We need to edge it back. Very, very important. Let's see the profit we have tried to make today from what we did, custom, and today. So if you look at what is left here with everything we did, we are left with $54. Okay, we are left with $54. Okay, so now that's the little profit we want to keep from this. It depends on individual. It depends on how many profit you want to keep. So that is that for that. So what we need to do now here now is that we need to add all these lot sizes together, which is this. Cancel. So we have 2.10, the lot sizes, plus 3.40, then plus 5.5. Shit. Sorry, I made a mistake there. 2.10 plus 3.40 plus 5.50, which is 11. So now we have trimmed the account to become 11. So we need to edge back this sell leg with 11 lot sizes. But this is where the trick is. How do we going to do this? Now I'm going to remove the calculator. I don't need the calculator anymore. So let me just pull out the calculator from my screen. So now on the weekly time frame, we see a very, very big, what do we call it? Supply zone, and we know we don't buy into supply zone. There's possibility that this market will come down. Okay, that is analysis that we have at our disposal now. So let's look at the daily. If you look at the daily is still telling us that there's possibility that this is going to push a little bit up before it will reach the same zone. If you come to H4 doesn't show us anything. So now the question is, are we going to put the trade immediately, or we need to be a little bit patient and pending our trades? So with what I've seen here, I will say I will pending my trade here. So let me put this for us to see clearly. So this line on, this is where I'm going to pending my buy. I don't want to edge immediately. So let me check my daily. Yeah, which is almost corresponding. But if market goes otherwise, what will be the disadvantage? If market move up, my equity is going to suffer more float around here. Okay, and but if market respect our analysis and started pulling down, I will start making more money because I'll start equipping my float back. Okay, So, but if that's a second benefit, that's another benefit. But if market didn't respect our um, zone and it broke it up, what happened? We are going to edge back here, but our float is going to increase. But what matters now is we are going to be managing this float using price zone management and trimming and rollover. At the point of time, we might roll over, but I might not roll over in time. So now, what I'm going to do now is going to do um, pending order. Let me put this, which is 11 lot size, and I'm going to come here and say pending order, and it will be buy stop, and what price I want to do it, it will be 176.903. Okay, that is where I'm going to pend my order. Good, which is somewhere above, yeah, above the uh, supply zone. So, like I said, if markets move to this side, my float is going to increase and my equity is going to suffer the pressure. Um, if it keep on and it didn't, if this our analysis doesn't hold, we are going to edge the market back here. Excuse me. But if it holds and market pull back, we are going to make enough profit. Our equity is going, I mean, our float is going to reduce. Our equity is going to pull up. This is the way we trade hedging, and we have a lot of tools for our members that have already been in our platform. We don't, because Forex is not what you see over there on the social media. This is a real money. Real money class is what we normally do. So this is what I need to show to all my followers that want to watch it on my YouTube channel. Until we meet in the evening tonight, that we normally have weekend classes. Then, if anybody have question after watching this short video, please just write it down so that I can ask more questions in the class in the evening. Thank you and God bless.